What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're gonna learn how to play You Are My Sunshine on the good old uke. So let's go ahead and jump straight into the chords. This song has 4 easy chords, and as always, I will have a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers on the uke for each chord. I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see, and then also have me talk you through it. So the first chord that we need is the C chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place your ring finger on the bottom string, which is the first string. So first string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the C7 chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the first string, 1st fret, and it should sound like this. Perfect. The next chord that we need is the F chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. Awesome. And last but not least is the G chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And then finally you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. And there you have it. So those are all 4 chords that we need for this song. As always, if you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on, and as soon as you get the chords down, press play, and now let's talk about how we're going to play the song with the finger pick coming up next. Alright, so we just learned the chords. Now let's talk about how we're going to play this song. I'm going to teach you 2 different ways you can play this song. The first way is going to be for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, I don't want to add any strumming or finger picking pattern into this mess. I love this song. I just want to get through it. I'm just learning the chords. I got you. So the first way you're going to play this song is just going to be with an easy down strum. So you can strum down with either your thumb or your pointer finger, but if you're starting out and you're like, I just started a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago, I would suggest just doing a down strum with your thumb, gliding all over 4 strings. So you can be like, you are my sunshine, my only sunshine, and then you go to F, and then go to C. So you're just going to go strum down whenever you see a chord change, and as always, I will have the full chord sheet, which is the lyrics and chords on screen for the play along video, which is already live on my channel, so you can definitely go and check that out. Also, if you do want to join the Patreon family, I'll leave a link in the description below as well for the Patreon, and that is sort of an extra help for this channel, and also you get some really cool things as well on there. So it's a $5 monthly subscription or less, and it's awesome. So if you do want to check that out, link will be in the description below. But so again, you can just do a down strum for whenever you see a chord change, and it'll sound really awesome. But if you want to kind of spice it up and up the level of your playing, if you're like, I'm ready for a nice little finger pick, I got you as well. So what we're going to be doing is I call it the 4, 2, 3, 1. So you're going to be finger picking the 4th string, then the 2nd, then the 3rd, and then the 1st. So we're going to do this in counts of 4. So with the C, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you go to the next chord, which would be C7. 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, I'm counting, 1 count is going to be the 4, 2, 3, 1. So that's 1, and then you do it again. That's a 2nd, do it again. 3rd, and then 4th. So if we do it faster, again, it's going to sound like this. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. So you're going to do a continuous finger picking throughout the entire song. And again, chord sheet will help you a lot, and also the play along with the chords and lyrics on screen. But again, you're just going to be finger picking the 4th string, then the 2nd, then the 3rd, and then the 1st. Hence the name 4, 2, 3, 1. And again, it's just going to go 2, 3, 4. You're going to do 4 counts for everything. And again, if you just want to do a simple down strum, you can do that, or you can do a down, down, up, down, up, if you want to add that into the mix. But again, I highly recommend you kind of up your level if you're ready to sort of add more finger picking. And that 4, 2, 3, 1 also works with a lot of other songs. So highly recommend that finger picking pattern for this song, and also for any song that you want to do a nice little finger picking pattern for. That's a tongue twister. Also, I did want to quickly mention the uke that I'm playing, which is the Enya Nova U concert ukulele. This is in a sort of awesome bright red. I also do have it in black and light blue. They also do come in a bunch of other different colors. I actually just ordered the orange one as well, so that'll be coming soon. Stay tuned for that. But again, I highly recommend Enya ukuleles. They're very affordable. They're well under $100 for a concert size uke, and it's also super durable. So highly recommend it if you do want to go get this and check out any other Enya ukuleles. I'll leave a link in the description below for the Amazon page where you can get more information on this beauty. Also, again, you can check out the different colors. Let me know what color you would want in the description below. What color do you like? Do you like the red, blue, black? If there's orange, white, pink, all that good stuff. Let me know what colors are your favorite. But yeah, thank you so much, Enya, for making such an amazing uke. Alright, so we learned the chords and the couple different ways you can play the song with the down strum, strumming, or the finger pick, which again, highly recommend to learn that finger pick because it sounds awesome on any song. But if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Also, I do want to welcome the new Uke Fam members. Congratulations, welcome to the Uke Fam, the best Uke Fam on the YouTubes, in my opinion. Thank you so much for hitting that red subscribe button recently. Again, we appreciate you. We love you. Also, links to everything will be in the description below. Links to the merch, links to the uke, also links to all of my socials, which is just at Ricky Somborn for everything. Make sure to add me on your most used socials. Send me a DM or leave a comment on any of the things on TikTok, on Instagram. Let me know that you came from YouTube and what video. But thank you so much for watching. I know there's a billion, gajillion, trillion videos that you can watch here on YouTube, and you decided to click on this one. So again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing and joining the Uke Fam. I truly can't thank you enough. Let me know your song recommendations and suggestions in the comments below. What do you want to see on this channel? I'm always open ears to hear what you guys want to see and hear and learn on this channel. Again, thank you so much for all the support. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.